Is your kitty alarm constantly going off, yelling fire, even when there's no smoke? This is a common issue often caused by sensor contamination, particularly in older kitty ionization smoke alarms. These alarms are very sensitive and can be triggered by dust, grease, humidity, or even small insects. To fix it temporarily, try cleaning the sensor. First, disconnect the power. Remove the batteries or unplug the alarm. Then, gently vacuum or use compressed air to clean the sensor chamber. Avoid touching the sensor directly. Finally, reconnect the power and press the test reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. If the false alarms persist after cleaning, it likely indicates a more significant issue, potentially a defect, and may need to be replaced. Remember that sensor contamination is most often found in ionization alarms. While cleaning can provide temporary relief for false alarms, the best long-term solution is often to replace your old kitty ionization alarm with a newer model. Photoelectric alarms are much less prone to false alarms caused by everyday contaminants like dust or grease. Kidde has introduced newer models with hybrid sensors and improved self-diagnostics, and these are recommended as replacements. There have been recalls of Kidde alarms, so check kidde.com to confirm if your device is affected and eligible for a free replacement. The trend in smoke alarm technology is moving away from ionization sensors, so upgrading is a smart move for increased reliability and fewer false alarms. It is also important to clean the sensor every 6 months as regular maintenance.